What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you see in the title and thumbnail, working on the good old pitter today. So like I said in the last video, if you haven't watched that video picking this thing up, give it a wash, check it out. But we got some parts in the mail for this thing. Ordered them the night I got it, actually, and I've just been waiting to do this video. So we got Mica metal pit bike bars. They look really good. We got the blue, kind of matches, looks okay. This blue does not match at all, but it is what it is. These are Emig grips, I don't know. And then we got the extended drum, the extended brake cable for the drum up front. And then nice new shifter, and this is the folding one, so if that one, you know, when I dump this thing, it's not gonna break either. So it'll transform the look of the bike a little bit and make it look a little bit better. And I hate riding like this, like, I don't know, especially because I'm a full-size adult. I don't know, it's just lean back too much for me. I like them tilted up and they're like swept back too, and I don't really like that either. So we're gonna have to take all the bars controls off, loosen them, slide them off, take these bars off. I just have one more bolt because I already got started here. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet. The throttle cable is gonna need rerouting, and then that's about it. So let's get started here. First we'll do the easy shit. So shifter be on just like that. Okay, shifter is done. Nice folding. All good. And yeah, I might have to adjust it up a little bit, but it's in there for now. So that looks a little bit better than the stock one. We'll still keep this one just in case. Always keep your old parts. Rule number 1. Alright, so we got the stock OEM garbage off. And then we'll throw in the nice new fresh Micas. They're gonna look fire. I think we're gonna cut them down a little bit. I like the factory width. Oh, this might be good actually. Might take like an inch off, half an inch off each side, and then throw these on. They're gonna look sick up in here. Then we gotta throw the grips on and shit like that, and pretty straightforward. We might not have to extend the brake cable. That would be nice, but I think we do. So this one doesn't look much longer though, so we will see. Keep you updated. Next clip you will see it'll be done, and maybe take this thing for a rip if it starts. Yeah, starting to come along. Now I need to get some stiffer springs, and that's about it. So next clip, these are done. Show you guys how fire it looks. Drum roll please. Boom. Looks fire. So I have them tilted up to where I like them. Some people like their bars back. It's all about your preference, but grips look good, bars look good. So if you're doing this, if you're watching this video and you want to do this to your TTR-110, I think you can get away with running this. You just have to move this a little bit closer, but this fucking lever is long as hell, so you shouldn't have any problem reaching it, to be honest. But bike looks pretty sick. It doesn't look stock anymore, so yeah, I think you can get away with that. Throttle cables you just have to reroute, to be honest, and then you're good with that. And then, yeah, like I said, I'm still going to keep that cable around, obviously, just in case something does not work out. But everything fits as it should, and I haven't ridden it yet, so don't take my word on it. Some people say yes, some people say no, so it's only like a $15 cable, so better to be safe than sorry. But thing looks sweet. We're gonna leave it stock exhaust for now because we want to ride this baby around neighborhoods and shit, and just mob it around. So you want to stay on the low key side. So next clip will be in a couple days when we're doing the carb clean, and then we'll take it for a couple reps, because right now I'm just getting we ain't getting nothing, so no point of trying. I mean, last ride it was riding fine. I mean, I don't know, it's a tough cold start, I guess. But yeah, so next clip we'll be rebuilding the carb, and maybe we'll paint the wheels and shit too, make it look like the YZ. Alright, see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so it's the next day, and me and Shane just took the carb apart, cleaned it out again, and it's running real good. We just took the baffling out for some reason because Shane said so, and now it sounds like this. Motherfucker is loud. We're gonna put that back in because that's way too loud. It probably sound good with the exhaust on it, but we cleaned the carb and it's running really good. It fired right up as soon as we cleaned it. So I still ordered that carb rebuild kit, so I am just gonna hold on to that for now. But I just adjusted the chain a little bit. We're ripping it around and it's riding really good. So pit bike is basically done, and I need to go ride again at my brother's and try this out and get Shane to buy a pit bike. You know, we're gonna get that stimulus soon, so you know he's probably gonna act up, maybe get a pit bike, we will see. But yeah, she's riding good. I need to get some new shocks for it, or new springs, and that's about it. Maybe lube the chain up and whatever else I find on Facebook Marketplace for it. Thing's sweet. Maybe I'll throw the helmet cam on and get a light and rip around, but pretty sweet. All right, what is up, boys? Going for a little night rip. Damn, that was she's running mint. We got the headlight on. Yeah, tilt this out somehow. Fuck, I just broke it. We can go like that. Alright, let's get ripping. I haven't been back here in a minute. It's probably super swampy. Oh yeah. Oh my god, super swampy. You hit little jumps though. Whee! Ow. First gear, a little wheelie action. Cops like to sit over here though, which kind of blows. Probably practice a little wheelie here. Not good at wheeling at all, so you guys are going to see my evolution of it. There's a car. Sitting over there. I suck at wheeling. Hit this jump. I don't like this car sitting up here, but fuck it, we'll rip past and see what happens. It's a cop, you know what I mean? They turned around, that's good. I'm not gonna ride on those fields there, because a couple people really cracking down on that. So we're not gonna do that. I was gonna ride all the way to the pit, but it's fucking cold out now. It was nice out earlier, but this is just a little rip of the pitter. I'll show you guys that she's running good. We got the little headlight set up, so that's cool. Pretty sick. Brakes work good. A little wheelie action. I can't get it up really. I'll try one more wheelie and then we'll throw it away. And then I'll end out this video. That wasn't too bad. We'll do one more. Get on the edge of the seat. Oh! Almost flipped her. Throw it away. Ripping around real quick, you know? Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video of the pit bike. Things ripping really good. Oh shit, we got it dirty. We're gonna need to clean it, but ripping really good. Glad that the carb worked out, but I will still have the rebuild kit if it does not. But things ripper, fun to ride, and can't wait to take it out again when it's not acting up with the new bars and stuff. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully installing these lips on this GTI and making that thing look pretty sweet. So see you in the next one.